is broken. Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are going well, and if you are new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe it and also hit that bell button which is sitting just beside that. So in this video I am going to teach you how to apply eyeliner in a very simple way. Like I will do simple eyeliner from a very dramatic graphic eyeliner, so make sure to watch this video till end. And also like when I was a beginner in this makeup journey, my hands were so shaky. Like मैं पहले एक में लगाती थी, दूसरे लगाती थी, फिर वो पैटर्न नहीं हो पाता था, सेम नहीं हो पाता था, फिर ऐसे करते करते मैं एक पांडा बन जाती थी. So I don't want this to happen with you. And as well मेरा हाथ बहुत ज़्यादा shaky था. My hands were really very shaky. So it was very difficult to apply eyeliner. So I faced all those problems and I don't want my subscriber to face all those problems. So इस वीडियो में मैं first से शुरू करूँगी, which is a very go-to eyeliner, like basic eyeliner, and then I'll go to some alien kind of eyeliners like graphic eyeliner and more dramatic eyeliners. And the eyeliner which I'm recommending here is from Sugar I Told You So. So I'm recommending this eyeliner because the applicator here, the tip is very precise and it is so flexible, so it will help you, it will make easy to apply wing liner. So I will highly recommend this. I'm in love with this eyeliner. So it is a bit expensive, but if you want an alternative you can also purchase the Maybelline Colossal Liner. That one is also very good. I have used that eyeliner. So let's begin this video. Thin eyeliner, and you can see the applicator is very precise, and I'm starting from the middle of the portion. So I'll make the middle portion of my eyelid a bit thick, and then I'll slowly go thinner to the outer margin and to the inner corner. If your hands are shaky, just keep it over your chin and it will give you a support. Now I'm done with half of my eyeliner, and now I'm going slowly towards the inner corner. And the same way, just apply from the inner corner of your eyes to the middle portion. So you can see that the middle portion is thick and the inner corner and outer margin are a bit thin. Now this is just for your convenience. Like I have zoomed to the maximum so that you can see that how I'm applying. The middle portion is thick and the inner corner and outer corner are a bit thin. Now the second one is going to be a simple wing liner, and I'm just making a horizontal line. You can say just a horizontal line and extending it outwards slowly, like giving a slight stroke. Giving this slight stroke will make sure that the outer part of your wing is looking pinpointed. And now just make a triangle connecting the outer of your wing to the basic eyeliner. Just make a simple triangle and fill it like I'm doing here. So here you can see that this liner is just horizontally placed and it's some simple sweet eyeliner. And again I'm zooming it, you can see strokes I'm giving here on the outer of my eyes, and then I'll connect it making a triangle. Again, if your hands are shaky, just place it over your chin and apply it slowly, no matter of hurry. Just apply it slowly, make a triangle and then connect it to your basic eyeliner and you are done. Now this is going to be a third eyeliner, and this is the doe eyeliner, which is my favorite. This looks so alluring. I have tried this in my maximum tutorial. Extend your eyeliner to the lower eyelid to the center of your eyeball and you are done with doe eyeliner. This is the most simplest eyeliner I have done, and yes, trust me, this will look so alluring. You can try it. It's day wear, it's night wear, it's you can carry it every time. You can exactly see that it's looking almond shape. And now the next one, going to the more alien shine, and this is the cat eyeliner, which is my favorite. It look a bit dramatic, so I'll suggest that if you're carrying this, you can attend any club party or night party. It's more suitable for night parties or club parties, and this is one of my favorite eyeliner. So how it is different from simple wing liner? Like simple wing liner was horizontally placed, and it is not exactly however. You have to extend your eyeliner towards your brows, like towards the outer edge of your brows, and extend it giving a slow strokes. And in the same way, you have to create a triangle connecting your outer edge of your wing to the basic eyeliner and just extend it towards the outer edge of your brows, and you are done with cat eyeliner. Yeah, it sounds so difficult, but it's just very easy. Now the last one, and this is the graphic eyeliner. These days graphic eyeliner are in trends, so this is basically, you can say, for me it's kind of alien kind of a thing, but yes, it looks so alluring. If you're having a proper makeup, graphic eyeliner are the best thing. It is full of dramas, like you can carry it on your ramp, you can carry it on your nightclub party, and you can carry it on several occasions. It is actually known as graphic eye art, and it is a trend that involves creating shapes with your liner and shadows. So it is often created using dark colors, but some beauties also opt for a colorful route, like you can apply those colorful eyeliners to create more shapes. So if you are someone who likes grunges and who likes to be unique and who likes to follow trend, just go ahead with this graphic eyeliner. Just put your makeup on fleek and you are sorted with graphic eyeliner. Put your hairs on fleek and this is going to rock everything. What I'm doing here, I'm just creating a simple dot so that my even if my hands are shaky, it will not create a problem, and just I'm attaching those dots to the outer of my wing, and I'll fill the rest. Like I'll create a line in the middle portion, like I'll create a slightly tilted line and then I'll fill it. I'm just keeping the outer liner a bit thick and the inner one a bit thin, and then I'm filling slowly giving strokes, and at last I'll just give a simple tilted line to make it defined. You can definitely create different shapes with this graphic eyeliner. You are totally okay with that. Here I just love this kind of graphic eyeliner, so that's why I'm creating it. You can also add more dramas, you can also create less dramas, and you can also fill different color. Like here I filled black color, but you can also go for different colors. In nutshell, you have option to go for graphic eyeliner. It's like wide range of graphic eyeliners available. This is how it looks. It looks so dramatic, so classy. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, do hit that like button and subscribe my channel for the further updates. Till then, take care guys. I will see you guys in the next one.